Weston's been fun. Look at them.
You were not ready for that.
Run.
You're not ready.
Ready? Come this way here. Is that a car?
There's no group.
Oh,
That's ocean.
look at the sun's trying to beam out.
It's huge. Hey, look.
Niagara Falls. Wait. Oh, it's not a lot of cars. So it's good. Okay, that's good. It's not that far. Hard Rock Cafe.
Rainbow Bridge USA.
I know, I'm gonna cross it. Yeah.
$20 per hour. It must be 1 hour.
Oh, over there.
I think that was the last part where we went down. So I think there was another part.
That's where we stay over there the other night. Embassy Suite.
Where went all my money?
That's all, yeah, you won your money there. We need to do our and we do a picture. Hello. Hello. Okay, let's do it. Bye, Niagara Falls. It's still cold over here, but at least we see the sun. The sun and the fall. Uh-oh, hurry up.
That's what I feel like at the beach. Remember that one beach area?
Oh, yes, that one with all of us. When the tent fell over, and no one else there told me. My wallet's never been so fat.
You could give it to me. Bye, Niagara Falls.
See you about 10 more years, Niagara Falls.
So young like you. It's a cool picture, didn't it?
Let's go here.
Which one?
Don't even ask.
Just pick that.
Right.
Oh.
Let's go this one. This one's a movie.
Trunk is.
Hold on, Esther. It's an interstate.
Really just open the exit.
Look how white it is.
Look at that.
Wow. Look at that.
Pictures.
Maybe you should get.
Oh, your shoes gonna be dirty again. Wow.
Yeah, that's gonna be her.
Close to the. No. Okay. Yeah.
Oh.
Molly, face on Gregor.
Jump. Look at her. No, get a new one. Hey, yeah, I gotta go in. I'm all wet.
You look like snow. Mama looks cool. Holy crap, my hands are frozen. Look at Mama.
I'm all wet. Look at it. You okay? Are you okay?
Oh, I can't. Is it dirty?
Hold on. Oh my God, look how it's coming down. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Look at how fast it's coming down. I got something.
Oh, you're dirty.
Look, you see that? Yeah, video it.
No, it's snowing so much.
Look at the snow. Oh my God. Okay. Look at the car. Put the, right Zoe on it. Right Zoe.
It's snowing so much. Mama.
Okay, I saw what that is.
Should we go buy snowshoes?
Maybe we should. Dude, let's go doing that. Walmart?
Look how big a pound of the...
Did it sound that much? No, if I just accumulated. Like it's bushes.
Wow, look at that. Don't fall. Wow, it got...
Walk normal.
No, it's too late.
Oh.
Come on.
Oof.
Ooh. Ooh, shoot.
It's snowing. It's in
Oh,
our
yeah,
faces.
you In my eyes.
In our faces.
Ooh. Look at the snow.
Oh, look at that
I
car.
think we should have just got out.
There was
wait
no,
till-
nowhere to get out.
Oh my goodness.
There's two cars right here.
Yeah, I just found it.
Look at it. That was the 18-wheeler.
Even the truck are like,
The snow is crazy.
basically, you know,
There's a no
see
way.
this. FaceTime him.
You FaceTime. I'm not gonna let it die. You better save your energy. Preserve your battery.
Movie? Can't tell.
So fast.
Don't feel like be moving though.
Great, more snow. It's coming like the sideway. Wow, look at that. It's a big flake too.
Oh, see the slide?
Hmm?
Like an ice right there.
Oh, you need to be careful
Car can go this way.
while you go fast.